How to stay younger for longer and slow down aging. We all want to age gracefully and keep our youthful looks for as long as possible. Thankfully, there are a couple of simple rules you can follow to make that happen. But before you find out all about them, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring this notification bell to join us on the bright side of life. Number 1. Manage your stress level. Winning a Nobel Prize in Physiology of Medicine is no easy thing, but that's exactly what Elizabeth Blackburn, Carol Greeter, and Jack Szostak did back in 2009. They found out that telomeres, which are basically the ends of our chromosomes, are responsible for the aging process in our cells. And the basic principle of their work is pretty simple. The shorter they are, the faster we age. As it turns out, one of the main things that can significantly shorten your telomeres is stress. Luckily, there's a solution for all your worries: meditation. Multiple studies have confirmed its efficiency in dealing with telomeres becoming shorter. The best option here is Zen meditation. Scientists from the University of Zaragoza in Spain discovered that, on average, Zen meditators have longer telomeres than any other people of their age. So pick the meditation technique you like and go for it. Number 2, surround yourself with people you like. The other secret to staying young is having people you love and appreciate around you. Blackburn, Greeter, and Szostak's research proved that people who live in safe and friendly communities have longer telomeres. Another study conducted by the scientists of Isku University along with other specialists showed that people who are married or maintain old friendships grow older a bit more slowly too. But that doesn't mean you should befriend just anyone you meet. An Australian study of centenarians found that all you need is 6 good buddies and you'll be fine. Number 3, eat less. Yes, I know, burgers and cupcakes are delicious, but a study published in Nature Communications Journal confirmed that caloric restriction is way more beneficial for keeping a fresh and youthful look. During the study, researchers observed 2 groups of monkeys for 2 years. They came to the conclusion that the monkeys who were on a low-calorie diet lived longer and stayed healthier overall. If you aren't too excited about cutting down your usual portion size, you can always stick to an anti-aging menu. Blueberries, dark chocolate, nuts, figs, salmon, avocado, turmeric. All these products will not only slow down the aging process, but also lower the risk of heart disease, protect your skin and vision, and support your cognitive function. And don't forget to add walnuts to the mix as well. A recent study from the University of Scranton showed that they contain more anti-aging antioxidants than any other product. Just don't go too crazy with them. Eating 3 walnuts a day is more than enough. Number 4, rack your brain. Exercising and taking care of your diet is great, but keeping your brain in shape is even better. Scientists from Rutgers University discovered that learning boosts the number of neurons you have, which helps your brain stay younger. And this type of neuron can be increased with every mental activity you like, from reading books to learning foreign languages. So the more actively your brain works, the slower the aging process is. Number 5, wear sunscreen. It doesn't matter if it's sunny or cloudy. Unfortunately, UV rays are always there waiting to damage your skin. They not only break down elastin, the tissue that's responsible for your skin's elasticity, but also cause other skin problems like wrinkles and an uneven skin tone. However, a sunscreen with a rating of at least SPF 30 can easily reverse signs of aging. The participants of the study published in the Dermatologic Surgery Journal confirmed that using SPF 30 sunscreen daily for a year significantly improved their skin texture. You can still make small exceptions from time to time and spend no more than 15 minutes in the sun without sunscreen. Cancer Research UK suggests that it'll help you get some crucial vitamin D without the risk of getting skin cancer. Number 6, dance. A study from the German Center for Neurodegenerative Diseases came to a fascinating discovery. Dancing is one of the most effective types of exercise to reverse the aging process. This is especially true for continuously changing choreography, which boosts the work of the hippocampus, helping you stay younger and making you the shining star of every dance party. Number 7, go to sleep earlier. Having a steady sleeping regime is extremely important for your inner and outer health. Jeff Wright, director of the Hair and Beauty Partnership and chronobiology expert, states that there are certain times for each essential process in our hair and skin. For example, from 8 p.m. to 11 p.m., they go through the stages of hydration and stimulation. From 11 p.m. to 3 a.m. is nutrition and regeneration time, and from 3 a.m. till 5 a.m., your body is simply resting. So the time you go to bed basically determines which part of the process you skip. Another great tip is to get at least 7 hours of sleep every night. Scientists from the Harvard Medical School confirmed the efficiency of this approach, stating that such a regime positively changes your blood pressure and, therefore, lowers the risk of a stroke or heart attack. Number 8. Add more vitamins to your diet. Believe it or not, antioxidants are extremely important for our looks as they prevent free radicals from damaging the cells in our bodies. One way to solve the problem is to use face creams with antioxidants and enjoy the feeling of fresh and young-looking skin. The second option is way more effective, and it's taking all the antioxidants you need orally. According to Karen E. Burke, MD, PhD, a dermatologist from Mount Sinai Medical Center, the most powerful elements for slowing down aging include selenium, vitamin E, and vitamin C. If you want some additional care, you can take a closer look at omega-3, which is well known for maintaining younger-looking skin as well. Number 9. Drink more tea. Bad news for all the coffee lovers out there. A recent Israeli study found that tea drinkers live longer. Tea is packed with good old antioxidants called polyphenols, which help your system fight heart disease, cancer, and premature aging. Moreover, a study from the National Public Health Institute in Finland linked regular consumption of tea with a lower risk of Parkinson's disease. And if your beverage of choice is green tea, you can expect even more health benefits from improved brain function to increased fat burning. Experts usually suggest drinking 4 to 6 cups of black tea and 3 to 5 cups of green tea a day to see the desired results. Do you know any other tricks to slow down the aging process? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe. Stay on the bright side.